Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lenses for Canon EOS Rebel T6 and T7 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Ultra Deluxe Lens Kit by Big Mike's. This kit is a comprehensive bundle designed for versatility and convenience. It includes a 58mm wide-angle lens, telephoto lens, a 7-piece filter set, a tulip lens hood, and more, all compatible with the Canon EFS 18-55mm IS2 lens. The wide-angle lens adds depth and dimension to your shots, while the telephoto lens lets you zoom in on distant subjects with ease. The 58mm filter set is perfect for enhancing image quality and reducing glare, making this kit an ideal choice for photographers who want a complete package without breaking the bank. In terms of design and build quality, the kit is solidly crafted with durable steel barrels and multi-coated anti-reflection glass. The UV filter protects your lens from dust and scratches, while the close-up filters enable macro photography for creative exploration. While the kit provides a lot of tools, it's worth noting that the lenses are add-ons rather than standalone, which may slightly limit performance compared to dedicated lenses. The Ultra Deluxe Lens Kit is perfect for beginners who want to experiment with different photography styles. However, advanced users might find the components less appealing due to their basic build quality. The biggest advantage of this kit is its sheer versatility, offering tools for landscapes, portraits, and macro photography all in one bundle. Pros include extensive compatibility and a variety of accessories, while cons include lower optical quality compared to premium lenses. This kit is a solid starting point for anyone new to DSLR photography. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Canon EFS 18-55mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS2 SLR lens white box. This lens is an entry-level option that offers versatile performance at a budget-friendly price. Its focal length of 18-55mm makes it suitable for a wide range of photography, including landscapes, portraits, and everyday shots. The lens features 16 elements in 12 groups, including UD glass and aspherical lenses, which help reduce chromatic aberration and ensure sharp images. In terms of design, the lens is lightweight and compact, weighing just 7.1 ounces. The gear-driven focus adjustment is smooth and efficient, although it lacks the finesse of higher-end models. It's worth noting that this lens comes in a white box, meaning it's a new product but without retail packaging. This doesn't affect performance, but is something to keep in mind if you're gifting it. This lens is ideal for beginners who want a reliable, versatile lens without spending too much. Its optical performance is strong for its price, delivering sharp images with decent color reproduction. However, it's not the best for low-light conditions due to its maximum aperture of f3.5 to 5.6. Pros include affordability, lightweight build, and versatility, while cons include limited low-light performance and basic build quality. Overall, a fantastic choice for those starting their photography journey. At rank number 3, we have the EF 85mm f1.8 portrait lens by Light Dow. This fully manual lens is tailored for photographers who enjoy complete control over their shots. With its 85mm focal length and large f1.8 aperture, this lens excels at portrait photography, delivering stunning background bokeh and sharp subject detail. The hybrid aspherical lens and ultra multi-coating technology minimize aberrations and glare, ensuring high-quality images. The lens is well built, with a smooth, large focus ring design and internal focus mechanism for quiet operation. However, as a fully manual lens, it lacks electronic contacts for autofocus and requires manual adjustments for aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. This may be intimidating for beginners, but is perfect for photographers seeking creative freedom and precision. This lens shines in controlled settings like portrait studios, where its ability to create dreamy bokeh and sharp images truly stands out. Pros include excellent image quality, manual focus precision, and artistic versatility, while cons include the lack of autofocus and a steeper learning curve. If you're an enthusiast looking to challenge yourself and refine your photography skills, this lens is a great option. At rank number 2 is the 85mm f1.8 portrait lens by Benoist. This lens shares many similarities with the light Dow 85mm, but offers a slightly different user experience. With its 85mm focal length and f1.8 aperture, it's ideal for portrait photography, providing excellent subject isolation and creamy bokeh. Like the light Dow lens, this is a fully manual lens, requiring the photographer to adjust settings manually. The lens's aperture can only be adjusted via the aperture ring, which offers tactile control but might feel restrictive for some users. The design is robust, with a slightly heavier build at 1.1 pounds. The focus ring offers smooth operation, allowing for precise adjustments. However, the lack of electronic contacts means you'll need to enable the release shutter without lens option in your camera settings. While this can be a minor inconvenience, it's a small price to pay for the creative control this lens offers. This lens is perfect for photographers who enjoy street photography or close-up portraits. It's versatile, but its manual focus may be challenging for fast-paced scenarios like events or sports. Pros include excellent bokeh, precise manual control, and a durable build, while cons include the lack of autofocus and the potential learning curve for beginners. If you're looking for an affordable way to achieve professional-level portrait shots, this lens is a fantastic choice. Taking the number 1 spot is the high-power 420 to 1600mm f8.3 HD manual telephoto zoom lens by Big Mike's. This lens is a powerhouse for long-distance photography, making it perfect for wildlife, sports, and even astrophotography. With its astounding zoom range of 420 to 1600 millimeters, this lens lets you capture distant subjects with incredible clarity. The 2x teleconverter doubles its zoom power, pushing your creative boundaries further. The build quality is solid, with a durable construction that's designed to withstand outdoor use. The lens features a precision-driven f8.3 aperture, which delivers crisp images even at extreme focal lengths. However, it is a fully manual lens, meaning you'll need to adjust focus and settings manually. While this might be a drawback for some, it allows for greater creative control, especially in static photography scenarios. This lens is ideal for hobbyists and professionals who need a reliable tool for capturing distant subjects. Its versatility and performance make it the best option in this lineup, especially for those who prioritize long-range photography. Pros include unmatched zoom capability, durable build, and excellent image quality, while cons include the absence of autofocus and its weight, which may require a tripod for extended use. If you're passionate about capturing wildlife or landscapes from afar, this lens is an unbeatable choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.